Hello everyone, we're back for another video. So for today, maglalakad tayo. Today is Sunday by the way, and update, marami pa ring snow sa daan. So hindi pa sila totally nagme-melt lahat. It will take like a month para mag-melt lahat ng mga snow na yan. But as of today, wala nang snow, no? So, mainit ng panahon. See here, sa side na to, wala nang snow talaga. So, totally clear na sa side na to. But sa side na to, yan. See, ang dami pa ring snow. And as I mentioned from my previous video, yung mga tambak ng snow na yan ay may mga basura sa ilalim. So, yan. Naglilitawan na sila. So, dahil nga natambak yung snow, natambak din yung basura. And there's no way para malinis sila before. Pero right now, since naglalabasan na yan, madaming garbage. So, yan yung lilinisin na nila. And sa lugar na to, hindi... this is not normal. Yung makakita ng mga ganitong kalat. This is the only situation kapag nagmelt yung snow dahil nga yung mga basura ay nasa ilalim, so hindi kayang malinis. But then kapag nagmelt na yung snow and kaya nang malinis, so that's the time na they will do total clean up. Pero right now, I think hindi pa nila ginagawa yung paglilinis ng todo dahil nga may times na babaksak pa rin yung snow and may times naman na hindi. But anyway, that's the situation now here. So wala nang snow masyado. May mga tambak pa like sa mga gilid. But that's normal. So in a couple of weeks, magki-clear out na yan and makikita nyo yung mga puno. So ngayon, wala pa masyadong mga dahon. But then, eventually, tutubo na ulit yan. So magiging from brown, it will turn out again to, greenery. So yan yung change of season dito. From winter to spring. So, yan. Today is a sunny day and magandang maglakad. So, for today, I plan to go to the mall. I'll probably take you guys with me, but I'm not sure if I can take video the whole time. But let's try. So, see here. So, last time, I took some clips in this side na sobrang taas yung snow, but as you can see now, no, wala na, melted na sila. And ayan na yung mga basura, so lumalabas na sila lahat. Ang maganda dito guys is that every household, kapag may oras sila, they help clean the community, even though the government provides yung mga cleaning machineries kasi hindi nila magagawa ng manual dahil nga matigas yung snow. So they need machines para linisin yung kalsada. Like here, see, it's total clean up. Nasa side na to, wala nang snow. So, yan yung kagandahan naman, no? Mabilis yung aksyon. And mabilis malinis. So, happy ang mga kids. See? Kids are playing. Kasi ang ganda ng weather. And as of this moment, hindi ako makapal na winter clothes. Very light lang ang jacket na suot ko. It's because Ang ganda ng weather today. So para ka lang nasa malamig na mall na may malamig na aircon. So that's how I can describe it. Ayan yung church kung saan kami nagsisimba. That's 5 to 6 minutes away from our house. So lakad lang yan. And very near sa mga malls, churches, and grocery stores, mga bilihan. So dito, ang madalas ang mga tao dito bumibili sila ng products nila from grocery stores. I haven't really experienced buying products from yung wet market or like palengke style. But I know it exists here. And here near from our area, merong palengke style na pwede kang bumili ng mga products, gulay, prutas, pero very seldom yung merong wet market, yung merong mga fresh fish. So that's very seldom. So we're done sa mall and hindi tayo nakapag-video. So bumili tayo ng spring jacket para sa spring. And now, pauwi na tayo sa bahay. So I'm thinking kung sasakay ba ako ng bus or naglalakad na lang. Pero bago tayo umuwi, bili muna tayo ng shawarma. So, this is talagang tapos na ang winter, guys. And wala na talagang snow. Ang ganda maglakad. So, dito, very popular ang paglalakad sa hapon or sa gabi. So, that's their way of exercise. And often, the whole family will go out for walking. So, that's usually how they spend weekends. So they will go to park, walk. Kapag summer naman, it's different kasi ang ginagawa nila is more on barbecue time. Pag spring, maganda rin yung panahon dahil hindi mainit and mas marami ang naglalakad sa labas. But very limited activities. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Bye guys.